In this video, I will explain you the process need to be done to record import of services. To create such transaction, you will need to record invoice received document with import selected in the taxation type. Let me show you an example by creating one. Go to Purchase module, open Invoice Received Documents. You will find the list of invoice received documents here. Click on Create option to create a new document. Once the document opens, fill in all the required tabs and fields available. Let's begin with the main tab. Select the supplier. Choose the relevant contracts from the list of contracts available. If it's import, mostly it will be of different currency than your national currency. Let's select the relevant one. Once you change the contract, the currency rates will be changed. Click on OK and make sure the document currency shows the correct rate as you want. Click on OK to close this dialog box. Make sure the transaction type is received from vendor. Change the entity name. Notice the default warehouse in the warehouse box. Select another warehouse if needed. Review information related to VAT that is presented as a link here. Click this link to adjust the settings. This opens the price and currency dialog box again. In this dialog box, you can review the prices and the discount for this document. In the taxation type, choose Import from the drop-down list. Once the changes are made, click on OK to have the changes in the document. Moving on to the Expense tab, select the expenses or services which need to be purchased and fill in the details required. That is the service item, its price, quantity, unit of measure. Once this is selected, enable the option Apply Reverse Charge for the services to have the reflection or effect of import of services in the VAT return report. Once this is selected, the VAT field appears in the list. At 5% under the VAT percent, the VAT amount import will be calculated automatically. On the Additionally tab, specify the number and date of the original supplier's invoice. Fill the delivery address terms as you want it to appear in the print forms of the commercial invoice. Once all the tabs are filled, click on Save to save the document or Post and Close to register the document in the database. Refer the report VAT return to see the effect of this transaction. Go to Taxes module, open VAT returns document, click on Create to create a new one for a specified VAT period. Select the entity, the period, and fill the document. Once filled, you can see the box number 3 and 10 gets populated automatically, which picks up the data from the posted transaction. The document we posted was of US dollar. In the VAT return, it will be converted to AED using the central bank rate. It increases the VAT payables and VAT receivables but makes nil effect or differences in box number 14. Thank you for watching the video.